Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. The 2025 OMEN 16 and OMEN Max 16 are OMEN's coolest 16-inch laptops yet. Now, I'm not just saying cool because it's a dope laptop, they actually keep the temperatures cool as well. Both the OMEN 16 and OMEN Max 16 include their new cryo compound, which is OMEN's first ever cooling system with liquid metal, which ensures your laptop doesn't throttle and you get the performance you're looking for. Big thanks to OMEN for sponsoring this video and sending over the OMEN 16 and OMEN Max 16 for us to check out. You also get the latest CPU and GPU combo in the OMEN 16 laptop with up to Intel Core i9-14900HX CPU and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU. OMEN even offers an unleashed mode to overclock your PC without having to go into the BIOS. Let's take a close look at these laptops and put them to the test. We're going to be gaming, video editing, and more. Let's get started. Both laptops are very capable and great options for gaming, streaming, and entertainment. It would even be perfect for students as well. I really love the design of the OMEN 16. It has a more professional look to it. Even though it is a gaming laptop, the matte metal frame is sturdy and the OMEN branding is very subtle throughout. Make sure to check out all the ventilation throughout both laptops and even on the underside as well. Super important for cooling. The keyboard has a different style on the OMEN Max 16 with more RGB color customizations. The 4-zone RGB keyboard is fully customizable with Light Studio within OMEN Gaming Hub. There's even a light bar at the bottom which gives the laptop a super unique underglow look. Personally, I'm really happy there's a number pad on the right side of the OMEN Max 16 keyboard, and both of these keyboards are really comfortable to type on and even game on. That 16-inch display also goes up to a whopping 240 Hertz, perfect for fast-paced games and even noticeable when you're just scrolling or watching videos. At 2560 by 1600, this 2.5K resolution is very nice to have on a screen of this size. I do appreciate the anti-glare coating on the OMEN 16 in case you're playing in a bright room. The 16:10 aspect ratio is the sweet spot for laptops when you need to get work or research done. Students can take advantage of Windows Copilot as their AI assistant to easily multitask and optimize their workflow. These sleek-looking machines also have smooth and powerful performance. The OMEN Max 16 is for every gamer, everywhere, with Intel Core processors. While playing Valorant, frame rates were consistently high and everything looked crisp and smooth. OMEN AI within the OMEN Gaming Hub is an FPS maximizer tool that will give up to 50% more FPS on supported games. A quick toggle will bypass in-game settings and intelligently improve performance. You even have access to Unleashed mode, which allows you to overclock your PC simply through a keyboard shortcut. The performance ceiling is increased and the OMEN Max 16 goes up to 250 watts and the OMEN 16 goes up to 170 watts, giving you even better performance than these laptops already have. This OMEN 16 has the Intel Core i7-14650HX processor, but it goes up to an i9-14900HX, allowing you to game smarter, faster, and lighter, including an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU and 16 gigabytes of RAM. It's perfect for playing all of the latest games. Gameplay is very immersive on the OMEN 16, whether you're casually playing some golf or locked into a first-person shooter game. The fast-paced games look fantastic, especially due to the 240 Hertz refresh rate. I put both of these laptops through a lot of testing, playing multiple games of all types. Even the more graphically intense ones run smoothly, even on battery power if needed. I'm always editing videos, so it's nice to have a powerful option that allows me to work anywhere in my house and even if I need to bring it on the go. For my use, it's very nice having all of this power in such a compact package. Both of these laptops are under 6 pounds. I'm able to bring this laptop on the go and it fits nicely in my backpack. Not only that, I am really impressed with how stable the temps are. There are 4 side venting, high temp endurance power components to reduce heat delivery to the CPU and GPU. Thermal performance is improved through air circulation and their new OMEN cryo compound, which is OMEN's first cooling system with liquid metal. Not only do the laptops stay cool, the noise is reduced by 46 decibels due to the higher efficiency fan design. Personally, I think this is really important. There's nothing worse than your laptop getting ready for liftoff while you're editing video, while you're gaming, and the person next to you can just hear the fan spinning. These laptops have everything I need in terms of ports, including HDMI 2.1, especially if you're gaming, want to play on a bigger monitor, a bigger TV, it will support those higher refresh rates. The OMEN Max 16 has two USB Type-C ports, two USB Type-A ports, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. A stable internet connection is also very important while gaming, and the OMEN 16 and OMEN 16 Max offer just that. Finally, you have a headphone microphone jack, AC smart pin, and dual speakers that are tuned by HyperX with DTS:X Ultra and HP Audio Boost 1.0 support. The OMEN 16 gaming laptop gives you smoother performance, seamless connectivity, and immersive gameplay in a sleek and quiet package. If you're looking for a laptop that can handle every game you throw at it, definitely consider the OMEN 16 or OMEN Max 16. The combo of the latest Intel Core processor and NVIDIA RTX GPU really shines, especially when playing high-end games or editing 4K video. OMEN did a great job with their OMEN Cryo compound to make sure the laptop not only stays cool, but it stays quiet as well. Both of these laptops will be linked in the video description below. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, a lot more content coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching.